Look, I can explain. I know it looks weird, but honestly, there's a reason behind this. Oop, I nearly dropped a knife on my foot. Hi everyone, it's been a long time. Hope you're all staying safe, and we'll be out of our third lockdown soon. Obviously, we're in a new setting. I moved to be closer to my day job, and yeah, I just really like shooting in this kitchen. I did try and shoot a video, but I realised that I was using the wrong jack from the microphone, and there's no sound. So I've gone through a lot. I did do some tie-dye though. You know, when they say you look like a snack, what they really mean is you look like a cream egg. So we're just going to try and get back on the horse. I'm going to start with a really simple, easy recipe called Tone the Hole. For those that aren't British, Tone the Hole is basically, think a Dutch pancake or a Yorkshire pudding, but add sausage. We're going to tart it up a bit. We've got some bacon, so we're going to make some pigs in blankets instead. We're going to serve it with some 10-stem broccoli and some peas, as well as a gravy which I made in the last time I filmed, but I made too much, so I figured I would reuse it. It's going to be nice and simple, easy way of getting back into it. This recipe starts with our sausages. For that, I'm just going to get an oven-proof dish. I'm going for a pan because I'm pretentious as heck. And we're going to wrap our sausages in our bacon and then throw it in the oven with a little bit of olive oil spray at about 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. We'll give it a flip so we get the colour nice and crisp. It's going to look amazing. And while that's doing that, we'll take care of everything else. Okay, so for this next step we're going to make the batter. For that I've just got 140 grams of sieved flour. To that we're just going to add some salt and pepper before adding our eggs to our milk, and then incorporating the wet stuff into the dry stuff, making sure it's nice and light and airy. Look, I know this recipe is very light on seasoning, but British cuisine's a lot like, it's a bit like jazz. It's more about the spices and herbs that you don't use than the ones you do. Okay, so our sausages are done. They're nice and crispy, as well as the bacon and the onions. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our batter, pour it into all that hot fat. That'll help it to rise once it's back in the oven, and we're going to leave it to cook for about 25 minutes. Or until golden brown and nice and risen. Okay, so the last step is to get our sides ready. So that's our gravy and our broccoli and our peas. For that, we're just going to take the broccoli and peas and put it into a pan. For the pan, we've just got the bottom of the pan filled with boiling water. We're going to season it with a little bit of salt, and we're going to try and steam the veg rather than like outright boil them. So low heat, boiling water at the start should get us nice and easy through this process. Okay, so your veg will need about 5 minutes to steam. Once they're done, drain off. Keep the water though, because that's what we're going to use to heat our gravy back through. For this, when I did it last time, I just fried off some onions and garlic, added some gravy granules. You can choose whatever ones you want. Added some water, and then once that's done, I added some chipotle paste and some maple syrup. It's that easy, guys. Okay, everything's just about ready to come together, so let's get it out and let's plate it up and let's taste it. Listen, I'm out of practice, I'm really sorry. Okay, and we're done. So, as you can see, everything has kept its colour. I really like that. The fact that the tone of the whole batter has gone a lovely golden brown. The fact that the peas still look vibrant and green. However, the real test is how it tastes. And for that, I need an assistant. Hello. So, this is Kelly of Pisha Designs. Full disclosure, Kelly is my girlfriend.
Am I?
But yeah, so I have a taste tester now. So
I've been looking forward to this.
Have you?
I have.
Since last time we tried to film this?
Yeah, because this is one of my favourite meals.
Oh, right, well.
So,
Let me,
and this one has got an added touch to it. It's got bacon on it. So
Yeah.
win-winner.
Yeah. It's almost like this was...
Planned.
Yeah. Twice. Alright.
Right, let's give it a go.
Chin, chin and all
Chin,
that.
chin.
Okay. That's really good. Batter's nice and light, nice and fluffy, good texture, sausages, good. The sweetness of like that maple and gravy and chipotle is still there. Peas, all good.
That was delicious.
Oh, thanks, babe.
Thumbs up from me.
I did good? Nice. Well, that's all we got time for today. Thanks for coming in and hanging out. Make sure you stay safe, and if you like this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, smash that like button. We're on Patreon if you want to give us a couple of bucks. That helps us do all of this, the lighting, the heating, the food, the rent.
Just basically everything.
Consumption under capitalism. And stay safe and wash your hands, and hopefully we'll see you June 22nd. This video will not be out by then.
No, it won't.
Barely made it.
Can I eat this now?
You may. Go ahead.
This is really good.